Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change wallet's name on Safepal application. To change your name in the Safepal app, first of all, open the Safepal application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page, click on your wallet's name at the top of the screen. Right after you do that, you will be able to open up this My Wallets interface. Now tap on the three dots right next to your wallet and tap on the little pencil icon right next to your username under wallet details. Now type in the new name you'd like to use for your wallet. You can erase the current one and then type down a new one and click confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your wallet's name. So that is how simple and easy it is. As you can see that my wallet's name has now been changed. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.